Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about the Ancient Matter Synthesizer. It's an endgame tool down here at level 78. For 5 technology points, you can create an ancient tool from 50 Paloxite ingots and 10 ancient civilization cores that allows you to pick any sort of ore or metal or rock or what have you, anything that you mine, sort of like the Soralite or the Quartz, and instead of having a bunch of them spread out, you can just spawn in the one raw material that you actually need. And the way that it works is I can cancel out whatever's there already and hit F, and then you can pick from one of these other materials. Like I was doing Coralum, but you could also do more Soralite or more Hexolite crystals if you prefer. And then it does a little animation where it spawns it into the world with a laser beam, generating this raw material. And then one of your pals can now run over here. One of the duelists, I think, is going to be the one. And they can start mining this infinitely. And it basically functions like a standard mining node, although it does require electricity. So it's not as free as some of the other ones. Like once you build like the Soralite mine, it's pretty much good to go for a good long time. But this one doesn't function without power. You got to make sure this bad boy's powered, and it requires a minimum mining of level 6 in order to, well, that's actually more dependent, I think, upon the material. Let me see if I switch it to something lower, like regular ore. Nope, it always requires level 6, but even still, by the time you get access to this tool, and you're mining things like Hexolite and Soralite, you should have a pal somewhere with level 6 mining or higher. Probably closer to like 8, I would imagine. And then that's it. It's a pretty simple and straightforward tool to use, so don't be afraid to invest in it. It's a little bit expensive in the Paxolite department, but if you want to save space and not have to have quite as many like spawn mining nodes as we do, because we've got like, what, 3 or 4 of them over here, plus wood nodes, this is a very convenient way, although it only covers like ores and metals and rocks, whereas those things like wood you can't get from it. So keep that in mind. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.